Hello everyone and welcome back. Okay, we haven't uploaded in a couple of days because I was trying to do some other stuff and it's a bit late, and I did do a double upload today. I did record some stuff, but the time I wanted to upload was very late. So I did a double upload today, so here's another one. So we're going to do the music venue and the DeepSeek version. So obviously I added more stuff. And know how DeepSeek is. They add that extra type of detail and everything. Okay, so obviously here's obviously I copy some stuff to get at least an idea so DeepSeek can understand, and obviously then I just added the extra type of things. So venue name and branding name, clip velvet underground. This is just like the name or whatever you want to call it. Where sound becomes sanctuary, the pulse of the underground. Logo and branding, obviously MIPS logo with adaptive lifting. Obviously it says this because obviously it doesn't have the image generation, but when RT comes out it can, so it'll show you all the images and everything, kind of like GPT does. Minimalist logo with adaptive lighting, effects of prism, spotting light into the sound waves, color scheme, dark jewel tones, emerald sapphire with metallic accents, golden platinum and dynamic LED lights. And then obviously a future aesthetic of kind of like a DJ or stuff like that, holographic type of art. Obviously social media on Instagram and TikTok, X, and people have Facebook. That's scary. Don't do Facebook, YouTube and stuff like that. Location, so enter dummy address and your locations, capacity for the main room plus the lounge. Multi-level in the warehouse, so it's a retractable rooftop. The atmosphere and the theme would be the interior design, sensory deprivation, entry, tunnel leading to a big room, a dance floor, and then a VIP place, and then a hidden speakeasy for style lounge for people who don't want the noise but still want to have a good atmosphere. Then the VIP, obviously a VIP room, obviously for members, exclusive members, or people who are influencers or something along those lines. And then the features are a Connect dance floor, sound bath, and some art if people like art. And then performers would be electronic house, a fusion of jazz, stuff like that. DJs, obviously, as I said. People like deadmau5 and all that type of stuff. Guest performers, nothing exclusive, live nights, and then as I said, the VIP exclusive experience. So when I did it with ChatGPT, like I always keep on saying, it's more based. The premium adds all this type of stuff, but again, R1 doesn't have to pay for it, but a little bit less, but they add a little bit more fancy. This is more business-like. So, and I do as I say, because you're not paying for it, but so you're getting the extra information that ChatGPT should be providing on the Pro Plus. So it is what it is. As I still say, it's one of the better ones, and they're killing it. The Chinese are killing it. I discovered Kling is also Chinese. I was seeing on the channel today, one of the people was describing, oh my god, another one. This is they're killing it, man. They're killing it. But this is a lot more detailed, as I keep on saying. I like it. It fills the information. It's just they want to be the best, and and I do like it. So this is the VIP section. So there's membership tiers. So we've got the private events, so private parties. And then obviously the diamond tier. So let's say diamond tier would be, I don't know, €80 or $80. You got certain events and NFT collectibles, $50K a year. Then you get the platinum, dedicated concierge, artist meetups, studio access for 15. And then okay, I got you now. The Obsidian is the cheapest, and then this is the most expensive. Obsidian, priority entry, free code check, and so $5K a year. So this would be the most expensive. So special events, and then obviously so pretty much Obsidian, 5K, platinum, and then so pretty much diamond and private events plus everything else within all the other tiers, how the subscription models work or stuff like that. Food and beverage, so signature cocktails, food, depending if you want to eat or not. Some of them do, some of them don't. And then obviously a bar. Technology and sound, so you got a good audio, sound, so good acoustic speakers, AI lighting, and holographic visuals, so AR type of stuff. So as I said, you can't escape it. Even with, as I mentioned, social media, so you can't escape that type of stuff. Stage 360 rotating main stage with hydraulic lifts and cryo-jets, and then obviously a 4K or 8K surround sound, Dolby Atmos, members only, type of stuff. Ticket and pricing, so season pass is $2K, VIP $250 to $500, and then just a general just a simple type of tickets around like $100. Booking, so wait lists for high demand events, entry obviously 18 to 21, no phones, lights, seats, blockers, air, anti-harassment, that type of, all that type of stuff. Membership first, skip the line, access free guests. So basically like ticket entry online, so basically an online system. So you skip the line, go here, go on the app, go on the website, you get it right away. You'll get a confirmation email or confirmation code through, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Signal, Telegram, whatever it could be. And then you just show the code, or you have a QR, you get a little QR, and then you scan it if you don't want to wait in the line. So, as I said, you can't escape technology, no matter how many people say, I don't want it, but you got to use it. If not, you can't participate in society, because that's the way it's going. And kind of like how Europe has wanted to put it off so much, a lot of European countries, and after now they're kind of getting beaten over the head, like, you can't participate. Now they're kind of like, what do? We need to adapt, but how the hell do you adapt if you've been pushing it, tomorrow, 40, 50 years later, now it's like, you can't do it. So now it's just chaos, like you can't do it. Like, the only way is, like, sorry to tell you, but the only way is that, like, you won't be able to do it, first of all, because it's way above the GDP. So basically it's just going to be, so that's the way it is. Like, you got to adapt, and technology's doing that. But all these templates, doesn't matter what it is, DeepSeek, GPT, whatever. Claude is different because Claude actually builds stuff, so Claude is the exception. But doesn't matter if it's DeepSeek, it doesn't matter if it's GPT, it doesn't matter if it's Gemini, it doesn't matter for whatever. All of them are saying you got to use the technology, you got to go with it. If not, then you can't do anything. A lot of countries, companies, businesses, they're learning that. Like, what the hell do I do now? Well, looking like, you're kind of screwed. So it doesn't matter. Marketing, promotion, behind the scenes artists take over. Immersive AR. AR is a new emerging technology. Silent disco live streams. Social media, all this type of stuff. Like I said, collabs, partnerships with influencers. So obviously Red Bull, Sono, all other music people, other music influencers or DJs. Merch, limited edition vinyl pressings, designer collab, promotion, secret sets, all this type of stuff. So revenue streams, so primary ticket sales, and then the VIP bar. So ticket sales, so what they're trying to mean by that is like stuff like Ticketmaster or anything online. So RSVP online, like got a code, whatever, like I say. Secondary, so merch and sponsorships. And then obviously VR, AR type of stuff, producer master classes, licensing menus, and then obviously your calendar would be weekly. So we got Techno Tempo on Fridays, jazz on Sundays, producer workshops on Wednesdays, and then seasonal events, stuff on the summer solstice, winter type of stuff. Then we got that type of stuff, 3-month artist, flagship. So we have like an annual type of gala or like music gala to like promote the artists and stuff like that. And then obviously your expansion in the future, phase 1, flagship venues in Berlin, Tokyo, Mexico City, phase 2, or a label or a streaming platform. Oh wow, streaming platform, online, again, adapt or sync. So they're even basically saying it. Metaverse venue, so we got metaverse, NFT, AR, VR type of venues, and then biometric entry. Oh, look, AI. Oh, Exactly. That's what I'm saying. AI, because maybe people don't want to wait. Maybe people want stuff now. Maybe people want, exactly. It's going fast. So, and this is obviously the template is an AI, but like, you get the idea. It's going fast. You can't escape it. Like, it's either this is how you do business or you can't do business. This is how you participate in society or you can't participate in society. That's what it's trying to say. And you can't, like, it's getting smarter and smarter every day. Like, I remember when I first used this to now, even DeepSeek, like in ChatGPT, like when I first, it wasn't this detailed. Like, it was detailed, but like, it wasn't like this. Like, as they say, it's getting better and better. And obviously you have your key differentiators, and obviously they sum up the entire template, but that's the way it is. So again, going back to it, yeah, this is a music venue, or then I have like other ones like music venue, salons, all, but you get the idea. I do comparison type of stuff, but like the whole point is that it's here, it's not going away, and it's here to stay. Like, what can you do? You got to adapt to it. Like, and as they say, a lot of countries, Europe itself, to a certain degree, is learning that example. Like, now you got to do it, or else you can't participate. You can't do trade. You can't do this. You can't even like do a business. It's getting to that stage. So it is what it is. Thank you everyone for watching and to do the breakdown. And yeah, obviously I'm going to be giving somewhat of news, but like I keep on saying in each template, like, you can't escape it. AI, social media, whatever. Like, that's the way people conduct nowadays. And like, it's the way it is. Online, this. So, but it even tells you in the template too, which is actually quite ironic too, that like the template's even telling you exactly as well. So yeah, there's that. Thank you everyone for watching, and obviously, like, don't forget to like, favorite, subscribe, and yeah, as I say, like, it's here to all these things are here to help. They're tools to better, to help you out, to better you, to give you more time, and for you to obviously succeed. That's the whole point of all this. And as always, Mr. Z signing out.